Hello everyone. I want to continue explaining about tenses. Now I want to tell you about simple present future perfect and present future perfect continuous. Well, it seems that it's difficult to understand from just seeing from the name. No, actually. If you understand the use, I'm sure that you can make it. I will help you. Let's see the structure of the subject first. The structure of the sentence. Subject will have plus verb 3. Subject will not have verb 3. Some students are still confused about placing not. They are used to putting not after have. It is okay for simple present perfect, but now this is simple present future perfect. So there are two auxiliaries here, will and have. So you put it here. Another question is will plus subject, have and verb. Don't forget this is verb 3 or past participle. Okay, let's go to see the use. The first is to express the completed action at a specific point in the future. The specific point in the future. Let's see this. Before the process of shooting begins, by the end of this month. These are the specific point in the future. The script will have been edited. This is simple present future perfect completed action. The script will have been edited before the process of shooting begins next month, so we can begin it directly. As I told you in simple present perfect with the same use, that is completed action, there is always an impact to the next time because this is simple present future perfect. So the impact is in the future. So we can begin it directly. The actors and actresses will have had the press conference by the end of this month. The impact, we hope it will attract more people to see the movie when we launch it next month. Be careful with this. Before and by. Actually they are the same, but I use before here not as preposition but as the conjunction. That's why after before you have subject and then begins is the predicate. So it is actually the adverbial clause of time, but here it is by. This is preposition and followed by the noun, the end of this month. Let's compare to this. The script will be edited when the process of shooting begins. Will be edited simple present future. When the process of shooting begins, almost the same. No, actually. Look at the meaning. In this, the time of editing is the same as the process of shooting begins. So I put it here. It depends on the situation later. If the script is not satisfying when the process of shooting begins, it is possible that it will be edited. But in this sentence, the action of editing is completed. Again, try to compare with this. The script has been edited already. There is no time expression here. It means that this is simple present perfect. Simple present perfect. The time is now. Everyone is excited for movie shooting now. This is the result. It's now. That's why time expression for simple present future perfect is very important. If you forget to put the time expression, it is not simple present future perfect. It is simple present perfect. Okay, I hope that you can understand about this. Continue to the next. To show the present prediction of the past actions. So the prediction in present or now based on the past actions. This is because the choreographer told me that it would take only 2 hours. This is the past actions. Based on this sentence, the choreographer told me that it would take only 2 hours. We have a prediction, of course, the completed action, that they will have finished practicing the dance for the movie by now. By now shows present. How about the second example? The present prediction or the time of present is shown by this. At this part, we are doing this part. The cameraman will have taken the last shot. At this part, the cameraman will have taken the last shot based on the situation that they have taken the other shots before. Of course, this is done before this. Okay, I hope that you can understand. Just go on to the next tense, that is present future perfect continuous. Let's see the structure. Subject plus will have been verb 1 ing. Subject will not have been verb 1 ing. And then will subject have been verb 1 ing. So this is present participle verb 1 plus ing. Let's see the first. The duration of an action once future point of time is reached. So, to express the duration of an action, the actors and actresses will have been dubbing the human voice for the animals for an hour. This is the duration. When the director checks them, this is the future point of time. So, in the future, when the future point of time is reached, the activity will not finish, but still ongoing, and there is duration here for an hour. The same as this. When the actors and actresses appear from that side, the cameraman will have been taking pictures of this place for some minutes. Then they have to enter this spot slowly for some minutes. This is the duration. I try to compare it with this. The actors and actresses will be dubbing the human voice for the animals when the director checks them. It is the same. Yes, it is the same actually. But still it is slightly different because as I told you that when I told you about the simple present perfect and present perfect continuous, for perfect continuous, the most important is the duration. When we have present future perfect continuous, the duration is for an hour here, but will be dubbing the present future continuous. There is no duration here. The same as this actually. I hope that you still remember about present perfect continuous. Like this. The actors and actresses have been dubbing the human voice for the animals for an hour. And the director is watching them. Again, there is no point of time in the future. So it is now. It is the same as the actors and actresses are dubbing the human voice for the animals. But of course, there is no duration. So it is the same as present continuous. But in present continuous, there is no duration. The actors and actresses are dubbing the human voice for the animals, and the director is watching them. Okay, I want to emphasize again that in present, future, perfect continuous, the duration is important, while in present, future continuous, there is no duration, although the meaning for them is the same. The next is cause of future result. The present, future, perfect continuous talk about the cause for the future result. Because the director will have been revising the script again, everyone involved in the project will be exhausted. This is the future result. Since the production designer will have been creating a series of storyboards, the director will be able to get the imagination of the film visually. So this is the cause, and this is the future. Is it the same is it the same as the meaning in simple present, future, perfect? No. Although I told you that simple present, future, perfect also have the impact to the future or have a relation to the future result. But in the simple present, future, perfect, we focus on the completed action, while in present, future, perfect continuous, we don't care whether it will be finished or not. It is just the cause of the future result. Okay, I hope that you can understand my explanation. Then you can make good sentences with the present, future, perfect tenses, whether it is the simple one or the continuous one. Okay, thank you for watching. Goodbye.